Welcome back to Hardware Hangout. Today we are heading back to the farm. We have a lot of little chores to get done. Climbing some ladders, digging some holes, all that good fun farm stuff. So let's hop to it. All right, we are grabbing 32-foot ladder covered in chicken poop so we can fix some flashing and kill some bees. Gotta grab a hammer. If I were a hammer, where would I be? Guess this will have to work.
Okay, I'm just making sure you don't die.
Well, if I die, I'm doing what I loved. Another one bites the dust. Alright, so these ones are all loose, as you can see. Got those ones all put back in, but these need to be in a different hole. Try to angle it to grip. And our last nail right here. Love you too. Alright, that flashing is done. Now we got the bees. 27 feet. You think it'll hit? Nope. Gotta move it. You know I'm allergic to wasps and bees. You know that, right?
Too. God, the bees are coming down now. Generally, this is a nighttime thing.
Luckily for you, I'm a professional.
Okay.
Nope. Can you hand me the other bottle?
I'm on it.
Alright, let's try the Wasp and Hornet Raid. 25% more. Oh, look at, they're pissed. She gone. Alright, well that's done. Now we have to go to the dangerous one. Oh, I'm working at the farm with my mom. Oh, I'm working at the farm with my mom. Oh, I'm working at the farm. I'm working at the farm. Yes, I'm working at the farm for my mom. Thanks for your help. That seems safe. This is fine.
That gutter will not support you. Just saying.
Oh, I'm working at the farm with my mom. Working at the farm with my mom. I'm a professional. Alright, so that part's done. I just have to get that part and that part now. Alright, back up again. Alright. Alright. Just need to move it over one more time. All right. Done.
Now we're gonna move you over.
Oh, so you want me to risk it all for a beehive? All right, you ready?
Yep, I'm looking down.
All right, I'm looking up.
We're calling it.
He's got you.
That spring died. Yeah, I'm gonna get more clampers.
So this there, make it tight, taut. This is tight and taut. Run this bad boy from here. Is that tight enough?
Hmm?
Is that tight enough?
Yes.
Easy peasy.
It is easy peasy, thank you.
And now for something completely different.
Put a little fuel in here.
Primer up.
Just need a fart. That should be plenty.
Good enough. At least we know it'll have a good base down there. Oh, I'm working on the farm with my mom. Working on the farm with my mom. Oh, I'm working on the farm. This one.
The second one. Then
America.
no, not bad.
Oh,
Come down. Well, it's going to come down the depth of the hole.
Yeah.
You got a knifey?
Not have a knife, no.
Neither do I. Yeah, do a little bit and then I'll Alright, how's she looking? Oops. Alright, let me get this one. Alright, let's check. We're good on this one.
Good.
Alright, there's some more cookie in there. I'll hold it steady. Steady like a rock. Alright, you like it?
Yeah, it's level. We'll just water it now.
Water it now.
Yeah,
and then it'll settle in.
And then it settle in, and then tomorrow you can put the rest of the flag up. Just because now if you put it in and you water it, it'll start waving and it'll crack the concrete.
From the wind, I hear you.
Ready to roll. That's your tools.
Got my tools.
Beautiful gold ball.
Where's that go?
Goes right here.
What? I didn't put that in first.
And
It's riveted, so it's not going anywhere. All right, let's pop the cleat in
cleat
there.
goes on this one. Right?
Yeah, that'd be the second one, so it's at level ground. And I think it's just a Phillips. Regular Phillips?
Regular.
Well, throw one in there. You're gonna watch it when it hits the ground?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yes, it's aluminum. At least I didn't strip it.
Ooh.
Stop it.
Ah. Yeah. Level, level. Doing some acrobats up there.
Really?
Yeah, I just did a backflip. Going back up.
Holy cow. That's pretty cool.
America.
Dude, that didn't even take an hour.
No, I mean, no, just gonna rig it up. Well, we got her in. She's setting right now, so we'll get it back to it and put up the entire pole and flag, but should be good. It's for my grandpa's birthday coming up this weekend, so he'll be proud to see that flying outside of his windows. So yeah, like, subscribe, follow for more.